The universe is a vast and mysterious place. It holds secrets that have captivated humanity for millennia. Among these mysteries are the whispers of time etched into the very fabric of our planet fossils. These remnants of ancient life offer a glimpse into Earth's distant past, a time long before humans walked the Earth. They tell tales of creatures strange and wonderful, of ecosystems lost and transformed. But what do these ancient relics have to do with the Quran, a book revealed over 1400 years ago? The answer, as we shall see, lies in the Quran's remarkable ability to speak to both the spiritual and the scientific. The Quran, revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, is a source of guidance and wisdom for over 1 billion Muslims worldwide. It speaks of the creation of the universe, the diversity of life, and the wonders of the natural world. It also contains verses that, when examined through the lens of modern science, reveal a surprising harmony with our understanding of the universe. One such area of intersection lies in the Quran's description of transformation, particularly the transformation of organic matter, which resonates deeply with the scientific process of fossilization. This essay will delve into the fascinating relationship between the Quran and fossils. We will explore how the Quran's verses, revealed centuries before the advent of modern paleontology, offer insights into the processes that shape our planet and preserve the history of life on Earth. The Quran, in its eloquent verses, often employs vivid imagery and metaphors to convey profound truths. Surah Al-Isra, the 17th chapter of the Quran, contains verses that have sparked curiosity and debate among scholars for centuries. Verses 49 to 51 of this chapter offer a glimpse into the Quran's perspective on transformation and the nature of life and death. And they say, "What, when we are bones and crumbled dust, will we truly be resurrected as a new creation? Say, yes, even if you should be stones or iron or anything within yourselves that you think is harder or even harder." Quran 17:49-51. These verses, revealed in a time when scientific understanding was limited, pose a powerful question. Can something as seemingly inert as bones or even stones be brought back to life? The verses then offer a resounding affirmation, suggesting that even substances as hard as iron are not beyond the power of God to transform. While these verses primarily address the concept of resurrection in the hereafter, they also allude to the transformative power inherent in the natural world. The Quran's use of stones and iron as examples of hard materials is particularly striking when we consider the process of fossilization. Fossils, after all, are often formed through the replacement of organic material with minerals, effectively turning bone into stone. These verses invite us to ponder the awe-inspiring power that governs the universe, a power capable of breathing life into the inanimate and resurrecting the seemingly dead. Fossils, those captivating remnants of ancient life, serve as windows into Earth's distant past. They are snapshots of bygone eras, preserving the forms of creatures that swam in primordial seas, soared through prehistoric skies, and roamed landscapes vastly different from our own. But how do these echoes of a vanished past become immortalized in stone, surviving the relentless march of time? The answer lies in the fascinating process of fossilization. Fossilization, despite its apparent simplicity, is a remarkably complex process involving a delicate interplay of biological and geological factors. It begins with the death of an organism, typically followed by rapid burial in sediments like sand, mud, or volcanic ash. This swift burial is crucial as it protects the remains from scavengers and the elements, preventing their decomposition. Once entombed, the slow and intricate dance of transformation begins. Over time, layers of sediment accumulate above the remains, subjecting them to increasing pressure and temperature. Water, often rich in dissolved minerals, percolates through the sediment, seeping into the buried remains. This mineral-rich water plays a crucial role in the transformation of organic matter into a fossilized form. There are different pathways to fossilization, but one of the most common is mineral replacement. In this process, the original organic material of the organism, such as bone or shell, is gradually dissolved and replaced by minerals from the surrounding water. These minerals, often calcium carbonate or silica, precipitate out of the water and fill in the spaces left behind by the dissolving organic matter. The result is a replica of the original structure, preserved in stone, a testament to the enduring power of geological processes. Section 4. from bone to rock, the science of transformation. The transformation of bone into stone, while seemingly magical, is rooted in well-understood chemical and physical processes. As we have learned, mineral replacement is a key player in this fascinating transformation, but it is not the only process at work. Another important mechanism is permineralization, a process in which mineral-rich water seeps into the porous structures of organic materials such as wood or bone. Unlike replacement, where the original material is dissolved and replaced, permineralization preserves the original organic matter, encasing it in a stony matrix. Think of a sponge submerged in water. The sponge itself remains intact, but its pores become filled with water. Similarly, during permineralization, the original cellular spaces and cavities within the organic material become infilled with minerals, effectively turning the once living tissue into a composite of organic and inorganic matter. Iron, mentioned in Surah Al-Isra, also plays a fascinating role in fossilization. Iron oxides, commonly found in sediments, can impart a range of colors to fossils, from rusty reds and yellows to deep browns and blacks. These iron compounds can seep into the fossilizing remains, staining them with the hues of time. In some cases, iron can even replace the original organic material, creating striking iron fossils that preserve the fine details of ancient life. The process of fossilization, while remarkable, is also a rare occurrence. The vast majority of organisms that have ever lived on Earth decompose and leave no trace behind. Only a tiny fraction are fortunate enough to be preserved as fossils, offering us tantalizing glimpses into the history of life on our planet. Reflect on the interconnectedness of knowledge. They encourage us to approach the Quran with a spirit of inquiry, recognizing that its verses can inspire both spiritual reflection and scientific curiosity. Section 6. A Universe of Wonder, Bridging Faith and Science. The exploration of fossils and their connection to the Quran highlights a fundamental truth. The pursuit of knowledge is not confined to a single path. Science, with its emphasis on observation, experimentation, and empirical evidence, provides a powerful framework for understanding the natural world. Religion, on the other hand, offers a moral compass, a sense of purpose, and a framework for understanding our place in the cosmos. Rather than viewing these two realms as inherently contradictory, we can choose to embrace the harmony that often exists between them. The Quran, with its verses that inspire awe and wonder at the natural world, encourages us to approach scientific discovery with a sense of humility and reverence. Science, in turn, can deepen our appreciation for the intricate beauty and complexity of creation, enriching our understanding of the divine. The study of fossils, for instance, not only illuminates the history of life on Earth, but also underscores the interconnectedness of all living things. It reminds us that we are part of a grand and ancient lineage, a lineage that stretches back billions of years to the very origins of life on our planet. This realization can foster a sense of responsibility for the planet and its inhabitants, encouraging us to become stewards of the natural world. The Quran's invitation to contemplate the wonders of creation aligns beautifully with the spirit of scientific inquiry. By embracing both faith and science, we open ourselves to a richer, more nuanced understanding of the universe and our place within it.